Hello and thanks for watching. I'm Larry Bohumer from Novatech. Today we're covering cellular modem basics, including such topics as what is a cellular modem, how is it used, who are some of the common customers that might use it, what common applications are they using it for, and what are some of the advantages and business gains. To get started, cellular modems have been around for approximately 20 years and have always been used to provide cellular connectivity for devices out in the field.
Basically, the modem establishes an IP-based connection using the cellular network. Once this is done, equipment can use the modem to gain access to the internet, connecting via either a wired connection, Bluetooth, or using Wi-Fi.
Cellular modems offer some great advantages over traditional landline deployments.
They can be set up in minutes, can be used in a mobile environment, and allow for connectivity in places where a landline is simply not practical, such as when you are putting devices in a customer premise.
Modem deployments can be categorized in 4 different ways: mobile, temporary, permanent, or being used as a backup to a main landline.
Mobile environments are usually based in a vehicle, such as a police car, work truck, transit bus, or train. The modem is used to provide connectivity, as well as often to provide real-time location data.
For many organizations, work can happen at any place and at any time, and there is a requirement to have connections up immediately and reliably.
For these customers, cellular modems are often the only reliable and cost-effective way of doing business. Modems are used in this way for businesses ranging from disaster recovery services, to construction sites, to military deployments, to seasonal events like carnivals and flea markets. This allows for quick setup, strong security levels, and a reliable connection.
The third type is where cellular modems are used in replace of traditional landline services, even when landline services are readily available. This is happening on a more frequent basis every day. Some of the common applications where this is used include
retail sites, ATMs, kiosks, digital signage, and more. Companies are finding that cellular modems offer a lower install cost, quicker installation times, more flexible in where they can be installed, a consistency of service across the country, and are often lower in ongoing costs than traditional landline services.
The final type of deployment is a reality that most businesses face on an everyday basis, in that they're not able to provide the level of service and support that they need for their customers without a reliable and safe internet connection at all times. Whether an outage is caused from natural causes, a construction accident, or from a network outage, using a cellular modem as a backup is no longer a luxury. Organizations that should be using a modem to backup is a huge list, but here are just a few.
Government offices, retail locations, data centers, restaurants and hospitality, financial centers, factories, actually pretty much any business these days.
The list of business gains offered by cellular modems is about as diverse as the list of companies who are using them. However, here are a few common gains that most companies see after deploying cellular modems.
In almost any case, a cellular modem will be quicker to set up than a landline, will have lower installation costs, and will have a much shorter lead time for installation. From a usability standpoint, they allow for more flexible placements, the ability to be used in mobile environments, and the ability to be used in very rugged and demanding locations. Finally, from a management standpoint, they allow IT departments to use a single setup across a region, state, and often around the world, and the ability to manage all those devices in a single console.
And finally, here's an easy way to remember what the functionality of a modem is. Think of an Ethernet port. Now imagine what you could do with that Ethernet port if it was available in a vehicle, at a remote site, or just about anywhere you need it. That's the power of cellular modems. Most customers, when you explain it to them that way, definitely see the value of it. If you're looking for more information, we look forward to having you talk to the Novatech sales team, as we have a lot of experience in helping customers deliver their applications. Thanks for watching. I'm Larry Bohumer.